Stem cells, their choices. When I started right away as the first in my time, it seemed fate was sealed. So could I change the way that I felt? And how? And why? And would I? From within my timed cage in microseconds, so determined, I felt so trapped. To escape my own fate, and feeling so afraid, then what could I do? So then, I had the nerve to ask the blastocyst, my cage, within which I sat, can I choose to be an eye, or an ear, or a tooth? Is fate so fixed? Then what time can it be that exactly determines my fate, so far sealed? Maybe, can I change at the start of my tiny wee life, or am I not so free? To be, what they say, has a pluripotent wide range of type cast for me. But do I need to determine my fate? And if so, when to decide? At the start? So I slide under cover into a dish of some slime, with timing just right, that, waiting my time, I make many more, and so become many teeth. And so it does seem that I may change my fate if I make a quick start, and prime in vitro my fate with a soup of all that is good, but just for the teeth.
It lurks in the tissue of the tooth's core, hiding there like at the bottom of a well. Deep inside, the more you explore, you will find dental pulp stem cell.
The stem cell was waiting to replace, protected in a niche, quiescent, waiting to divide, define its space, to unlock its potential, copy and create.
Scene 1. Contemplative stem cell at crossroads of lineage commitment. Let's say I'm going to be a tooth, all ready to settle into the cozy oral booth. Let's get started with the differentiation so we can commence with tooth creation. Scene 2. Differentiated tooth germ stem cell speaking to his progeny. They say we all came from the one, the totipotent one. Now I'm good old multipotent. But you, my dear one, you are specialized. You are unipotent and your abilities are emphasized.
We need a new tooth, said the porpoise, sounding clear, to the dolphin at sea. So I think, turn to the shark, the dolphin said, with such clear intent. For they can replace all their teeth at a very fast rate, all shiny and new. Well, it won't be the same shape, they both said, nor the right fit. But maybe, instead, you just change the crown to knock off a few cusps. Oh no, not possible for sure, as made by the genes of the shark, they said. Well, maybe we could order their genes to make our own shape. Well, let's see. A few of our stem cells, perhaps, would alter their genes. Oh, you need more than that, a tissue engineer so gravely said. But how could it be? An implant of cells and a mix of each type? Maybe we need stem cells of only our own type, not theirs. But then our new tooth wouldn't replace at a shark-like fast rate. If we have stem cells of both, the crown will be that of our own peg-like shape. And the replacement will indeed be that of the shark for teeth along rows. This comes from the mix in the implant to the jaw, selecting from both types of cell. One for replacement of each set, in each row of teeth, so well timed to erupt. Other stem cells for the shape of our own type of tooth, to fit when grasping a fish. But, said the shark, I do hope that won't be me. Indeed, I won't taste so good for you. Instead, try a salmon for both muscle and bones, for calcium you need for a tooth. A meal so good for the likes of you mammals that feed young pups with your own milk. And so ends the tale of new teeth, all the time from stem cells so deep in the jaw, found near the nerves and the blood vessels too, so easy to change into their new fates as shiny new teeth in the jaw, timed not just to come up with a burst, but in the right place between opposite teeth and exactly the right shape. So keeps both the dolphin and porpoise excitedly happy, new teeth all the time.